Hi everyone, it's Max here, one of the founders of ch-aviation. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually set up an alert that will notify you immediately every time we publish something about an airline in financial difficulties. To set up the alert, head to our start page, make sure you're logged in, and then move over here to News. Click on News, wait for the website to be fully loaded, and then here on the right side you have what we call the News search. And you can search by all sorts of different criterias, operators, continents, etc. One thing we're interested today is something that we call tag down here. Click on tag, and what you will see is that all of our articles are actually having sort of tags assigned. So you can look for articles that are about ACMI transactions. You can look for news articles that have something in regards to business models. Or you can search for news articles that are about financial issues and financial difficulties. Select it here, and click on Save, and then click on Apply Filters. And now the system will actually show you all these articles that are in regard to airlines with financial issues and difficulties. So this is one way of going around here. And what we want to do now is we want to set up an alert that when every time we publish something about an airline in financial difficulties, you get an email immediately that happens. So what you do is you've selected the tag with all the news articles with financial issues and difficulties, and then you click here on Save As. So you save this news search and you call it Airlines in Trouble or Financial Difficulties or whatever you want to call this. And then make sure that down here where it says alert via email, that it's actually set up and active. It needs to be red and the white dot needs to be on the right side. And then click on Save. And now you will get to this news email alert form here where you can say, okay, every time something happens for this news search that is called Airlines in Trouble, send me an alert via email. It's active here. And then you can choose a display type of the email that you actually want to get. Do you want to get the full article? Do you only want to get the headlines and a short intro, or just headlines only? I'm going to select full article here, and then you can select the frequency. Get an email directly the moment we publish it, or have a daily or weekly summary where you can actually choose different days and the time, etc. In this case, whenever someone is in trouble, send me an email directly. That's my setting. So I select email per article and I click on Create. And that's it. That's how easy you have set up a news alert that will notify you every time we publish something about an airline in trouble. Thank you very much.